Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hello everyone! Ayan, nandito naman ako ngayon para batiin si Nay Mercy ng happy birthday. Nay Mercy, lagi po kayong mag-iingat sa iyong trabaho at ipahalayo ka sa kapahamakan. Ayan, gabayan ka pa ni Lord dyan. At maraming salamat, Nay Mercy, sa pagiging mabait mo po sa amin, Nay Mercy, sa mga tulong na binigay niyo po sa amin. At Nay Mercy, sana maging malakas ka pa. And wish ko sa'yo, Nay Mercy, enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon at with your family. More candles to blow, Nay Mercy. At sana bigyan ka pa ng marami pang birthday ni Lord, Nay Mercy. We love you, Nay Mercy! Ingat ka po palagi. Bye!
Ate Mercy Kalunod, happy birthday sa'yo. No? Nadagdagan na naman ang edad natin. Sana masaya birthday mo, ha. At salamat sa mga mga pagsuporta sa amin, no. Salamat. Happy birthday uli.
Dito ka, Ayan, magandang hapon po. Nais po namin batiin ang aming Nanay Mercy Kalunod na nagdiriwang ngayon ng kanyang kaarawan. O kasabay mo pa si Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy. Ayan, Nanay Mercy, happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa iyong mga suporta at sa mga patuloy mong pagmamahal sa mga vlogger na kagaya namin. Maraming salamat po.
Lapit po rito. At ayun, Nanay Mercy, happy birthday po. Hindi ko po alam kung pinapanood nyo po ako. Pero Nanay Mercy, happy birthday. More birthday to come and God bless. 10 sa inyong pamilya. At ayun, napaka napakaganda ng birthday nyo kasi mismo si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy ay kasabayan ng birthday nyo. So happy birthday, Mami!
Yun. Nanay Mercy, happy birthday po. We wish you more birthday to come. At maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta at pagtulong sa mga matitino at mahuhusay na mga vlogger.
At guwapo.
Siyempre guwapo.
Oo, yan. Dapat
Nanay,
ginawa
again,
na yun.
maligayang kaarawan po at we wish you na ng magandang kalakasan sa inyong pangangatawan and more birthday to come. I love you, Nanay.
Yan. Yan, Nanay Mercy. Hola. Bumabate mula sa Davao. Love you, muamua, chup chup. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Babush.
Uy, ayan, Nanay Mercy, ayan. Siyempre, ang pinakamabait na nanay natin lalo na sa social media. Gusto kitang batiin ng happy birthday at ang wish ko ay magkaroon ka pa ng maraming taon para i-celebrate muli ang iyong araw ng kapanganakan na yan. Nanay Mercy, stay healthy, stay fit at chill lang tayo. Ayan, relax. Ayan. Hanggang sa muli.
Hi, Nay! Ayan. Gusto ko lang po kayong batiin ng happy birthday, Nay. Ayan. More birthday to come. Higit sa lahat, good health, Nay. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat dyan. And wish you, Nay. Love, Nay. And thank you. Thank you kay Ama. Kasi nakilala ko kayo. And thank you sa inyo. Thank you. Love, Nay. Bye-bye. Wish you, Nay.
Hello, kami lang siya sa arating DVD kami lang siya sa tayo birthday pa natin. Nanay Mercy, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka sa iyo pang-araw. Kaya Nanay Mercy, happy birthday, Nanay Mercy. Sana lagi kang masaya sa iyong kaarawan, Nanay. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Nanay Mercy. Sana masaya ka sa araw na ito. Thank you so much, Mami. Bye-bye.
Good day po! Happy birthday, Nanay Mercy! Ingat po palagi at huwag pabayaan ng sarili. Maraming salamat po sa pagtulong at hindi mo po kami pinapabayaan. We love you, Nanay Mercy! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Alright! Mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Ayan, lalong-lalo na ngayong araw na ito ay mayroong isang nagsiselebrate ng kanyang birthday. Yan, sa katauhan po yan ng ating napakagandang si Ma'am Annalisa. Yan. At malapit na rin siyang magkaroon ng 20%. 20% discount. Ayan, Ma'am Annalisa, happy birthday po. Ayan, mag-enjoy po kayo hanggat gusto mo. Ayan, enjoy po, enjoy. Yan lang masasabi ko, enjoy. Ma'am Annalisa, God is with you always. Thank you very much. Yan.